All-flash storage has become the new normal and part of the foundation for a modern data center. Dell EMC's newest all-flash solution, Unity, is setting the standard for simple and affordable. Today's business requires speed, agility, and efficiency, and that's exactly what you'll get with Unity. Unity is simple. It delivers incredible management simplicity for every step of the data lifecycle through a new HTML5 user interface. You'll be up and running in under 15 minutes. Unity is modern. This new Linux-based architecture was designed for Flash, providing blazing speed and density, supporting the latest 3D TLC flash drives. It's packed with features like inline compression, unified point-in-time snapshots, asynchronous and synchronous replication, built-in encryption, a virtualization integration with VMware, Microsoft, OpenStack, and a full REST API for developers. With Unity and Dell EMC data protection, you can back up 50% faster, reduce protection storage requirements by up to 30 times, and gain 30 times faster VMware recovery. Unity is flexible. Available as a virtual storage appliance, a purpose-built all-flash or hybrid system, or as converged infrastructure with one unified operating system that connects them all together. Everything is proactively managed and monitored by Unisphere Central and our new Cloud IQ SaaS cloud management platform with predictive analytics to provide health scores across all Unity systems. And you can tier inactive data to public clouds with automated policy-based file tiering. Unity is affordable. A dual-active controller system, optimized for the best combination of performance, density, and cost, delivers all flash at an incredibly low entry-level price. And the 2U form factor delivers unified storage capabilities with density greater than 300 terabytes of effective capacity per rack U, which helps to save space, power, money, and time. Never overspend on storage again. And while you're at it, get started for free with our Unity Virtual Storage Appliance. Need more? Get Expect More premium support with lifetime maintenance price and flash endurance protection, plus a 3-year money-back warranty.